Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install and use the netstat command in Linux. To begin, open the terminal. Run the sudo apt install nettools command to install the utility. You must enter your password. You can use the netstat command with the -v parameter to get detailed connection information. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If you want to see the routing table, run the netstat -nr command. To view network adapter statistics, use the netstat command with the parameter AI. If you need to see the connections, run the netstat command with the -ant parameter. Finally, if the goal is to view the services used, run the netstat command with the parameter -pnltu. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.